This manure was collected this morning, left to soak just for the morning. It is far easier to mix it like this by hand than it is with a paddle. So that's about the correct consistency. Pick it up, squeeze it into the basket, pick it up, squeeze it into the basket, and a little bit more for good measure. Poke it well down into the press, the handle up, down, and this is how the liquid comes out. It comes out completely. If you shine it into here, the video proof, there is no liquid rising to the top. Pick it up, pull it out, tip it out, easy to get out, perfect poo brick. Lay it on the tray for drying. And that's it.
They light direct from paper, no need for firelighters. We put about 5 on at a time, with the air reduced as much as possible for a slow burn. Each lot of 5 lasts about an hour or more, depending on how much ash is beneath them.
Well, you said what's good about them is people like them because they're so lightweight to carry. They don't weigh anything.
More horse manure briquettes, drying out ready for winter in a polytunnel. We dry outside, direct sun is important. If the weather is bad, we dry on drying racks in polytunnels. When the bricks are 80 to 90% dry, they are put into large carrot bags, 20 per bag, and hung up from the polytunnel bars for a week until 100% dry. They are then dry stored on pallets, which take 50 bags per pallet, 1,000 bricks each.
They're not everyone's cup of tea, but I enjoy turning a waste product into something valuable, and I have an endless supply of the raw material. We used them all last winter and they are really good, lots of heat, and they last well. You can find more information about our presses at our website, www.paper-briquette-maker.com.